everyone, yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm NG Styles. So today I want to give you a secret. I just want to show you guys on how to extract bearberry, you know, using, it's called Glycerite. You know, when you extract any herbs, glycerin, the science is what do I call it? In cosmetics world, we call it glycerite. Okay, so this is a method of using about 75% of glycerin and 25% of distilled water. Please, when making this, make sure you use distilled water. Okay, all right, so let's get right to the video. So to make this, you will need a jar. You will need vegetable glycerin. Make sure it's organic. Make sure it's kosher organic. I don't know where they, but make sure you are using organic vegetable glycerin. Then you need a distilled water, and of course I'm going to be extracting my bearberry leaf. Okay, instead of using the powder, when I'm making like lotions or toners or, you know, any liquid thing, I like to use the extract, like the glycerate. But if it's like soap or scrub, you can add the powder directly to it. So here is my beaker. I will be measuring out the 75% of the glycerin and 25% of the distilled water, and I'm going to mix them together. Okay, so here I'm going to measure out. I am making 8 ounces, which is 226 grams. Okay, so I'm going to measure out my glycerin. I'm going to get my 75% of glycerin, which is about 169.5 grams. So I got my glycerin 169. Then I'll be measuring my water 25%, which is about 56 grams. So I have my water and my glycerin. So now I'm going to measure out my bearberry leaf extract. I'm using teaspoon. So I measured out 1.5 tablespoon. Sorry, not teaspoon. So I'm using 1.5 tablespoon. You know, when you go to buy your own, so here you have it. My water and glycerin, I'm going to mix it together to combine. So mix it properly. Do you see? So after mixing it together, the next thing, get your herbs and then pour it in. If you are using a fresh herbs, you don't need to add water. You use only the glycerin. Okay, but because it's dry herb, we mix with water to hydrate the herbs. So mine is powder. If you use only glycerin, it might not get out all the nutrients we need. So I added water to help hydrate it. So glycerin acts as a natural preservative, so it's going to help preserve it. Okay guys, so you mix it properly. After mixing, make sure you dissolve all the powder in it so that you can extract the goodies we are looking for. So what we're gonna do is use a good to seal it, cover it tightly. So apply the lid and cover it tightly. When doing this, try to use a glass jar. So I'm gonna place my label because this jar is I'm just reusing it. I always use it for extracts. So you're gonna keep it in in your dark cupboard for 4 weeks. So after 4 weeks, you strain it. This is powder, so if you are doing the powder, make sure you strain it very well so that you don't get the some little properties in your extracts. So that is it guys. If you have any question, leave it in the comment box below. And if you are new, you are highly welcome. And for you all that are passing by, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like my video and share my video. I always say share the love, all right. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful. Love you all.